Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. It's July 11th, 2018. Welcome into Talking Fitchburg, right here in the heart of Fitchburg. Fitchburg. Say that 10 times fast.
I could say it 10 times fast, but we don't have time.
The whole gang's here. Preston, Jeremy, Andrew, even Scott. He's over holding up his office, as he does every single day. Thanks, Scott.
Yep.
We've got a lot to get to today. We are going to do some talking about Sun Prairie. Last night there was a gas explosion in Sun Prairie. I was able to talk to the chief, so we'll have him a little bit later, kind of breaking down the whole incident, taking a look at it from the outside, kind of what that looks like. Also, we know that a firefighter from Sun Prairie Fire Department has passed away in this, and another one still in the hospital. So we'll just dive into that here coming up in a little bit later in the show. But our thoughts are out with everybody affected from the fire department, police, EMS, and residents. You name it. We're thinking about you. Hopefully, everybody can take your time here. Know that it's gonna be investigation. It's gonna take a while to get the answers, and just take your time and keep listening to officials. They'll get you updated as much as they can there. So, again, all wishes out to everybody from us and from, I think I can speak for everybody here at the city of Fitchburg and saying that we're thinking of you out there. So, we've got that. Plus, with your headlines, we've got, we'll get you updated on that front. And on the digest, we're talking with one of the local universities here. If you didn't know, Herzing College was based out of Wisconsin. I did not know that. We'll talk with the president, and a great opportunity if you're interested in getting into the nursing program. We'll talk a little bit about some fun things they've got coming up to get you ready for the school year coming up. But first, let's cut right to this on absentee voting.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there is another election coming up soon, so absentee ballots are now available for that August 14th partisan primary election. In-person absentee ballots are available at the clerk's office. You can come in from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., and it says up until 5 p.m. on the Friday before the election. You will need a photo ID in order to cast said ballot. There is more information on the City of Fitchburg website on the left side, right when you get on the home page there, if you want to check it out. But just know that those are available currently. Fantastic.
All right. Reminder here that your brush collection week is happening this week. So if you haven't already had your brush picked up, the start on Monday, you need to have your stuff out at the curb by 6:30 a.m. They'll be collecting through the rest of the week. There will be no yard waste collection. Yard waste can be taken to the drop-off site at 2373 South Fish Hatchery Road and be placed in the yard waste bunker. For more information, hit up the website fitchburgwi.gov. We'll put up a link on Facebook after the show.
Coolio. All right. Hey, fun summer event coming up, and Oak Bank is inviting all of us, this whole community, out to it. It's the Oak Bank Summer Soiree. They say that you can come out and you won't want to miss this opportunity to connect your business with the community. You can enjoy a buffet-style picnic while listening to live music with neighbors and colleagues. And they have, it says here, music from Wheelhouse, food from the Thirsty Goat. They have beer from Potosi Brewing Company and ice cream from the Chocolate Shop Ice Cream Company. So a lot of good stuff there. It's going to be tomorrow, July 12th at 4 p.m. Goes till 7 p.m. at Oak Bank's location at 5951 McKee Road. Come on out and enjoy the soiree.
Yeah, this one's partnered up with the Chamber, too. So the Chamber's Business After 4, I think, is the event they have coinciding with Oak Bank. So
it's a twofer.
Yeah. Just everybody go out there. It's the best way to do it, right?
Do it.
All right, last but not least, another great event coming up here. It's the 2018 Unity Picnic in Black Expo. This will be held on July 21st. It says here, we're excited to announce that the 4th Annual Unity Picnic will be held in partnership with Progress Center for Black Women's annual Black Business Expo. The Unity Picnic is a family-friendly event with food, music, dance, face painting, and more. And the Black Expo supports and creates spaces for entrepreneurs of color to thrive by bringing together Black-owned businesses to create a venue to buy and sell products. So get this on your calendar, July 21st, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And the organizer is Urban League of Greater Madison, along with everybody else I had mentioned before. The venue, again, it's at the Urban League, and then it also says it's at the Village Park.
Yeah.
So if you want more information, I'll post up a link for that as well with all the stories. So
Indeed.
there you go. All right, that is our headlines on, again, another hot day here. Hot weather continuing.
It just keeps going.
Kind of up and down here as it goes. Preston's wishing winter was here. No, he isn't.
I do, actually.
No.
Yeah, I do.
Don't say that. Coming up next, I have a chance to sit down with the president of the Herzing University right here in Madison. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.